What if I told you one of the world's biggest burger companies isn't really in the burger business? In fact, the secret behind McDonald's success has more to do with land than food. Most people think McDonald's makes its money by selling burgers, fries, and drinks. But that's only part of the story. Here's what most people don't know. When a new McDonald's restaurant opens, it's often not the franchise owner who owns the land. Instead, McDonald's typically acquires or controls the location and then leases it to the franchise operator. So the franchise owner pays McDonald's not only franchise fees and royalties but also rent. This creates a powerful business model. Think about it. If burger sales go up, McDonald's earns more. But even if sales slow down, the company can still collect rent from valuable locations. Over decades, McDonald's strategically secured prime locations near busy roads, city centers, and high traffic areas. As those properties become more valuable, so did McDonald's real estate portfolio. This means McDonald's isn't just benefiting from selling food, it's benefiting from owning or controlling some of the most desirable commercial locations in the world. And that's what makes the model so powerful. Most restaurants sell food. Very few combine food, franchising, and real estate at this scale. So the next time you see Golden Arcs, remember this. Burger gets customers through the door. But the real competitive advantage is the business model behind the building. Sometimes the most valuable thing a company sells isn't the product, it's the property underneath it. McDonald's sells burgers to customers, but its business model is built on much more than burgers.